Sanibonani bangani. So namhlanje siyafocusa ku-electrotechnics N6 and N5. So leyo chapter leyo is going to be chapter 1, i-speed control. So i-speed control into engayisho ngayo ukuthi you will only have ama-process ayi-2. So in those processes uzoba no-process 1, where u-process 1 kulapho khona kwenzakalani, kula kuzoba ne-first circuit, which means if ile first circuit like i-first circuit engekho that is not developed. Yes, singasho ukuthi i-process yokuqala it's a circuit that is not developed, which means kuzoba ne-statement esizokutshela i-circuit yokuqala ukuthi i-circuit yokuqala ina kanje nakanje bese ba-adda in. Once they said ukuthi ba-adda in or something, that's when seqala kuphi ini u-process 2. U-process 2 kulapho sikwenzani, the second circuit that has been developed. I'm handwriting here. That has been developed. So it's either mangithi izoba develop, it either uzofuna ini i-speed, the SI units for speed, I mean the symbol for speed kuzoba i-N bese or uzobe ufuna ini i-resistance that will be added, which sizoyibiza bani ulona i-resistance added, or uzothini u-Rx. So in this part here, in this case ku-speed control we have in i-shunt circuit and the series circuit. Okay, circuit. So ku-shunt and i-series circuit, so these things ke zihlukene ekudeni ke mangabe we are confused, zihlukene ekudeni. You can think ukuthi ziyafana but zihlukene ekudeni. So in this part kuzoyenzakalani, we have i-shunt which whereby i-field current or i-shunt current or i-shunt singathini i-shunt, yeah, singathi ukuthi i-shunt it is parallel to ini i-armature, which is soba ne-circuit ena kanje. So here sizoba no-IF and ubani u-RF. Here sizoba nani sine-armature, this is our part of ini i-armature, and u-RA. So which means sizoba nobani lana no-I line. This is our I line. Then this is our voltage. So ngapha siba nani siba ne-series. Remember mangithi series which means they are connected kuphi, they are connected into one line. They are connected in series, which means here sizoba no-IL, so sizoba ne-field ngapha, sibe ne-IA, sibe ne-R field ngapha. Remember ukuthi i-field igcinaphi, igcina ngapha. Let's say asidraw kanje, igcina ngapha. So which means ngapha sizoba nobani no-RA. So in this part, le parts le kuza ngapha, remember ukuthi i-voltage for a series circuit, it is not uV1, it is not uV2, which means sizoba nani ne-voltage for i-field, this siba nani ne-voltage for i-armature. But mawuzi-adda lama-voltage lawo kumele kunike bani the total voltage leyo abazobe bakunikile. Most of the time the voltage of in i-field, I mean the voltage, ama-voltage ayalingana. I-voltage when it comes to ilona, i-voltage ngapha ngani i-voltage of i-process 1 or process 1, it is equals to i-voltage of process 2. Most of the time angisho ukuthi njalo, most of the time ama-voltage ayenzani ayalingana. Even nangapha futhi nakhona i-voltage of process 1 it is equals to i-voltage of process 2. These things uzibona ngani ukuthi ziyalingana ngokuthi bangakutsheli ukuthi bayitshintshile ini i-voltage. If they don't, if abamention ukuthi sitshintshile i-voltage, which means those voltage ayenzani ayalingana. So in this part here, remember ukuthi we have amalona angafani. So we have ukuthi sibe nani, sibe nama formulas angafani nakhona when it comes ngapha nangapha. So in this part most of the time into zoyicalculate kokuqala yini i-IF. U-IF yena it is equals to uV, this V all over u-R field, or R shunt. It's either shunt or field. Uzocalculate in I field. I field, it is equals to this thing. Remember, this voltage is parallel to in a field, which means ama voltage ayenzani ayalingana. So that is why I guess sesithini leya voltage leya kuzobe kuleya. Bese second step uzofuna ini the current. Remember ukuthi the I line bheka ke in this part i-current ihamba kanje, iphuma ngapha ingene ngapha, izosplitha lapha kuleya junction le, izosplitha kuleya junction bese iyangapha then mase siyibreaka lapha. Remember ukuthi the total current kuzoba ubani, u-IL, it is equals to u-I field plus u-IA. Ile formula le uzobe uyisebenzisa number 2, which means lo sizoba no number 1 laphayana, sizoba no number 2. Bese ke masikhuluma ngendaba yama current wangapha, remember ukuthi here since ihamba kanje iyofika la sesubani u-I line, uzophuma ubani u-I line afike la sesu-I line afice ubani u-IF, which means bayalingana, ahambe futhi afice bani la u-IA, which means basalingana, which means u-IL it is equals to u-I field, it is equals to u-IA, into zobuyilona, which means this part leya ayishintshi, ama-current akhona azoyenzani, azofika lapha. If we have u-80 here, still nakubani naku-IF we have u-80, and still nakubani naku-IA we have u-80. This part yama current inakanje. So we have this R, the R le ethi RAC. U-RAC means ukuthini, means ukuthi all with ngathini, athi we add all the resistance in the armature. So okubalekile ukuthini, we add all the resistance. Remember ke, so in this part mangithi we add all the resistance in the armature ikuphi, ingapha, for ishunt ingapha, which means wonke ama resistance azobe la ku-RAC uzofaka maphi, uzo-adda wonke ama resistance alaphaya. If you added ukuthi kube na something laphaya a resistance connected in series with the armature, you will add it with ubani, ku-RA, then menza nomfaka kuphi, ku-RAC. Akumelanga ushiye anything laphaya. So in this part for a series, which means here uzoba ne R field and the RA, which is over armature and the field. So masichubeka laphaya, so kunento esibiza ngokuthini i-EMF. EMF is equals to the voltage minus u-I multiplied by u-RAC. Lo RAC loya ulozobe wenzani, u-adda wonke ama current ozobe unawo. So in this part sizoba no RAC 1 and u-RAC 2, because remember ngithini, we have ama processor 2. I will write ama possible ngathini, asingithi possible combination of ama formula kuselandelana kanjani most of the time. So in this case nangapha futhi we still having in the same thing, u-E it is equals to u-V minus u-IA, yes, it's IA nangapha futhi sese u-IA RAC. So in this part ke ngamanye amagama ngichaza ukuthi this chapter we are only focusing kuphi, ku-armature kuphela, but we are using other currents la wakhona ukuze sikhona ukwenzani, ukufocus such that sikhona ukubalansa the whole equation ukuthi yonke into ihambe ngohlelo. Kahle la we are managing speed of imotor and i-generator. So which means ku-generator and the motor nakhona we have in the difference between those things. So nakhona ngizoyichaza masihamba isikhathi kanje. So in this part here, so first thing nakhona into ozobuyenza uzokwenzani, uzofuna i-EMF. So i-voltage le lapha phezulu, it is not i-EMF. So leya voltage le ile abazokunika yona, u-IA ulo uzobumfuna when it comes to ini, uzobumfuna lapha kulona. So ngapha remember ukuthi u-IA is equals to i line. So nakhona mangabe nayo uzoyilona, uzofuna ilona i-EMF, then ke kuzoba nelo. So we have into abayibiza okay, let me tell you ilona i-general formula of ilona speed control. So we have u-E all over u-E2. So which means first i-process yokuqala, i-process yokuthi-2 ilona yakhona i-EMF yakhona over i-process EMF ukuthi-2 bese multiply by ini by i-speed sokuqala, speed 1 ilesi saku-process 1 bese sizoba ne-field 1 all over u-N2 field 2. So this thing inokuba nakanje. So most of the time u-IF it is proportional to ubani leya flux leya. So uzobona kanjani ukuthi bathi uzobona kanjani, abasho khona, abakutsheli ukuthi this thing is proportional. Uzobona kanjani ngegama elithi unsaturated. Wabona igama lithi the field are unsaturated. Mabathi the field are unsaturated, asingithi the field are unsaturated. Or something like it's the field and what's in the flux unsaturated, which means lo kuchaza ukuthini, kuchaza ukuthi u-IF it is equals to i field. I hope satholana. Ithini? IF is equals to le gama lithi unsaturated kuchaza ukuthini, IF is equals to ilona i-flux layer, which means you end up your formula ibe ubani u-E1 all over u-E2 it is equals to u-N1 IF1 all over u-N2 IF2. So for i-shunt, most of the time IF1 it is equals to IF2 if they did not add any resistance in the field. Remember ukuthi ilona yethi ina kanjani, ina kanje. So le part le elaphayana yini i-field le lapha i-field, and this is IA RA. So le part le field u-IF1 uzolingana no-IF2, u-IF process 1 uzolingana no-I process 2 no-IF process 2, or because if they did not add any resistance here, if bayi-addile lokho kuchaza ukuthini, izotshintsha kuzomele ufuna ubani u-IF2 using ini le formula le ethini V it is equals not V, it is I Ohm's law. I is equals to uV all over u-R field u-IF2 uzomfuna ngani ngale formula le. Should you will have IF1 and IF2 kushanti kuphela or ku-field, kushanti kuphela or ku-field uzolona. Bese ke when it comes to for i-series, it's obvious vele u-IF1 it is equals to u-IF2, which it is equals to u-IL1. No, they are not equal. Sorry about that. Remember to IF1 it is equals to UIL1 it is equals to UIA1. But because process 2 they add something, process 2 changed, which means ngamanye amagama, let's draw process 1 and when say something. So let's say we have something like this. So we have IL, IF here, we have IA. So process 2 you will just do like this, ama dot set bese ba adda ilona in parallel to in the field. Let's say by in parallel. Most of the time they ask ukuthi they are added in parallel. Kanje. So current, because they added which means ngamanye amagama, remember maba add when they add resistance, when the resistance decreases, the current does what? It increases, which means it's inversely proportional to ilona. The resistance is inversely proportional to the current. So which means IL2, which means ngamanye amagama, IL1, IL1, it is not equals to IL2. IL2. As same applies as one as ulona ifield lapha. IL1, it is not equals to IL2 because kuzoba khona into abayi-edile lapha. Let's say ukuthi they added i-resistance lapha ku-armature. If they added i-resistance lapha ku-armature, which means kuzoba khona ini, they increased i-resistance, which means the current will decrease. So in this part, they connected this thing into parallel, which means the resistance, they decrease the resistance, which means the current will increase. I hope satholana. So in this part, IL1 no IL2 abalingani. Since IL1 no IL2, which means ngamanye amagama IF1 for a series, it is not equals to IF2. I hope satholana. Remember ukuthi le parts le ngapha ziyalingana and le ngapha ziyalingana. Remember ukuthi lo bani process 1 lo, and here ubani process 2. Process 2 lo. Process 2 lo ya. Process 2, which means ngapha for process 1 ama current yakhona azolingana wonke, and even ngapha ama current ngapha azolingana wonke, but I current ehamba ngapha ayisalingani current ehamba ngapha because ngapha they added i-resistance or bakhiphe i-resistance. So kuzoba kanjalo vele, like akumelanga kwenza mistake. So remember ukuthi ngithini, E1 le formula yani speed control, E1 is equals to all over E2 is equals to N1 IF1 all over N2 N2 IF2. So which means le current le hamba lapha ayilingana le current ehamba lapha, ane ayilingana, which means these things they won't cancel. But sibheka manje kuphi ku process 2, eyakushanti we have E1 all over E2, it is equals to N1 all over, oh not all over, IF1 all over N1 IF2. So because layer, if they didn't add any resistance in the field, in the field layer part layer, which means ngamanye amagama this part layer ziyalingana. Remember ukuthi IF1 it is equals to IF2 ngamanye amagama, which means layer parts layer ilingana na layer parts, which means lena izokhansela layer na layer bese sale in E1 all over E2 it is equals to N1 all over N2. But for a series lokho akwenzeki because these current are not the same. Mina sizwane kule part le, angifuni senze mistake, are not the same. I think siyavana kuleyo part. So kunento abayibiza nge-torque. So i-torque kunento abayibiza nge-torque. I-torque yiyo le yenza i-speed control sibe ngathi sibe nokuxavu kancane, kube khona lobo juice nyana, yabo ubulona. So kunento abayibiza ngani nge-torque. Yeah, I think it's right spelling. Hey, ningixolele guys, nge-spelling angikho right when it comes to spelling. So okay, so in this part kuzoba khona into esibiza nge-torque. So sine formula yakhona ithi T1 all over u-T2 it is equals to IA1 multiplied by IF1 all over IA2 all over IF2. Labo IF, remember what the original formula comes from this. IA1, IF1, IA2. No. Okay, sing it there. IF2 in this part here. Remember ukuthi this thing le part le iyenzakala only if makwenza njani, if the statement says ukuthi unsaturated. Yenzakala kuphi? Only if mawenzani unsaturated ufaka ubani ufield wakho. If abashongo ukuthi unsaturated, which means they will give you the flux, which means they will give you the flux of IF1 and IF2. If they said which IF1 is equal to IF2, which means like sakusazoba into enjalo. But I doubt ukuthi uzothola into kanjalo. Most of the time we told because of we're having the field and the lona, which means most of the time if umlezo ile don't cram, just be honest to just be honest to the statement, which means the statement izokutshela ukuthi mina nginani. Kwenzeka ukuthi bangayifaki ifield lapha ku statement, bafake i-flux, but ku-rare ukuthi uthole equation ena kanjalo. That's why ngithi most of the time uzosebenzisa into ena kanje. So ku-talk sinama cases amaningi. So let's say ukuthi okay ngizokhuluma in this part whatever ekuzoyenzakala engizokukhuluma la ku-talk kuyenzeka nakuphi naku-speed, but most of the time i-speed bayenzani, bayakupha sona bese bathi funa esinye i-speed, mhlampe like u-N1 bazokupha bese u-N2 bangakuphi bese bathi funa yena u-N2 mangabe si-add i-resistance engaka, yabo, or bese bathi sikupha i-speed kodwa si-add i-resistance, funa leyo resistance leyo, into ezenza kanjalo. But kunokwenzeka ukuthi bangakuphi i-speed kodwa bakuphe sona ngani, ngama-percentage, which ile part lesokhuluma ngayo manje kuphi la ku-talk. So in this part ke into yokuqala bazomana ukuthi talk it is reduced. Amagama kumele uwabheke yilapha, u-reduced ekumele ulibheke yileli, but okumele ulibheke kakhulu yilaba abobani, by, yabona leli laka-by legama leli lithi by 10%, let's say ukuthi by 10%. Most of the time talk bakupha khona bakupha yona ngama-percentage, bese bathini, talk is reduced by 10%. Talk is reduced by 10%, which means lento ichaza ukuthini, T1, oh not T1, ichaza ukuthi u-T2 it is equals to 100 minus u-10% all over 100, which uzoba for ilona of ubani, of u-T1. I hope sazwana. But talk is reduced by 10%, which means we have ubani, T2 is equals to 100 minus 10 divided by 100 multiplied by T1. Lento le yabayishoyo, which is uba nobani no 0.9, because ma minus 10 ku-100 uzoba no 9, 0.9 of T1, which means ngamanye amagama under process 2 process 2 uzobani uzothi T2 is equals to 0.9 T1. Ngamanye amagama ngichaza ukuthi laphaya ku-T2 uzofaka lento, laphaya kuphi ku-T2 uzofaka lento the way ingakhona, which means sometimes asingenze example, sometimes la uzothini T1, remember ukuthi le we have 1 laphayana, then we have ubani u-0.9 T1, which means le part le izokhansela leyana bese we left with ubani u1 all over u-0.9 kanje, uzoba nento ena kanje, which means uzothatha i-coefficient of the talk uyifake kuphi kuma-talks wakho laphaya kulawa ma-talk lawaya. So in this sometimes banokuthi talk is reduced to yabona mabathi 2 baqhaza ukuthi ifake njengoba injalo, njengoba sitshela ukuthi njengoba injalo, let's say ukuthi bathi reduced to 70%, bathini ngamanye amagama baqhaza ukuthi ifake njengoba injalo, reduced to isilungu, yabo, isilungu sithi reduced to, which means your T2 it is equals to 70 all over 100. Remember it's percentage there. This is of T1 is equals to 0.7 of T1, which means also do the same thing like in the coefficient of the talk and put it on your formula. Or banokuthi the talk is ngathini bathini, the talk is increased increased slum increased by 30%, which ngamanye amagama u-T2 wakho uzoba ubani? Uzoba 100 plus u-30 because bathini it is increased by ubani? U-30% divided by 100 of u-T1, which kuzoba ubani? U-1,3 of u-T1 kanje. You take the coefficient and put it at the formula. Remember ukuthi coefficient yini? Ile part there. Ile part le coefficient of T1. So banokuthi futhi bathini the torque is increased to 2. Remember ukuthi 2 uthini ithathe njengoba injalo to 70%, which is nobani? No 70 divided by 100 of T1, which here is no T2. It is equals to 0,7 of T1. I hope siyazwana. Bese ke banokuthi laphaya sometimes bathi the torque is proportional to the speed. The torque, it is proportional to the speed. Remember ke yabona kule part le ulalelisise kahle. Kule part le bathi la the torque it is proportional to the speed, or bavele bathi the torque is proportional to the square distance. Ngamanye amagama ngichaza ukuthi the torque the speed uzobunaso uzosenzani uzo square, but the torque is proportional to the square distance. Which means T1 over T2 it is equals to N1 all over N2. Ngamanye amagama, if you are not given in speed but you have the torque, torque it is proportional to what? To the speed. Ngamanye amagama ngichaza ukuthi if so ufuna ukuthola EMF yakho eyokusi-2 or ufuna ukuthola i-current of field, yeah, so which means u-N1 njengoba u-N1 IF1 all over u-N2 IF2. Ngamanye amagama shuthi intena kanjani ezoba ubani? U-T1 IF1 all over u-T2 IF2. Intena kanje. This part leyana yenzani? Iyalingana naleya part le. Same thing applies nangaphi isazoba ubani? U-E1 all over u-E2 it is equals to ngichaze kanje. So in this part remember ngithini? U-T1 all over u-T2 it is equals to UN squared 1 all over UN squared 2. So in this part most of the time bayifuna kuphi? Ku-torque, which means you will have ubani? UN squared 1 all over UN squared 2 lo 1 loya it is equals to IA. Le formula le ngizobe ngibhala ngaphi ye-torque? U-IA1 no-IF1 all over u-IA2 no-IF2 kanje most of the time, or sometimes la banokuthi ube nani no-IA1 all over u-IA2 is equals to nale formula le kuzoba yani torque IA1 no-IF1 all over u-IA2 no-IF2. It can either, you can use it either ku speed or ku-torque, this part. So if you are given a speed and they said the speed is proportional to the torque, or the torque is proportional to the speed, which means you can use either because isazofana, because ziyenzani ziyalingana lezi zinto lezi. Sorry. So in this part I hope manje we understand indaba ye-torque. So ngizochaza ubani manje i-difference between ngizochaza the difference between imoto and the generator. So le part le yonke le bengiyenza lapha phezulu it is part of imoto, which means ngamanye amagama imoto si differentiate ngani ne-EMF. So in this part i-EMF of imoto it is equals to E1 or E is equals to uV minus ubani u-IA1 RAC. but ku-generator the EMF it is equals to uV plus ubani u-IA 1 RAC. So ama-circuits wala uzowabona ngani? Uzowabona ngokuthi ethi mangabe we are talking about i-shunt or i-field or i-series. So if uzoyibona ngani? So emoto i-power yakhona yenzani? Iyaphuma. We have i-power out, then the power in izoba here. The power in izoba ngapha for i-shunt. This is shunt. RE. Oh, not RE, so RE lo. R field. So lo R A IA IL I field. So nangapha we have the same thing. I field R field RL IA RA. But manje la yenzani iyangena. When it comes to generator izongena. That's why we have ubani u-plus lapha, and that's why here we have ubani u-minus. Remember ukuthi lapha EMF must be lesser than in a voltage, but manje the EMF must be greater than the voltage because the voltage is the voltage is taken from in i-generator yakho, which means that is why izoba ubani u-P in lo ya. The P out izoba ubani u-P in bese siba nobani la no P out here in this part. Or to understand it better ukuthi ku-textbook yakho or kuncwadi yakho lo isebenzisayo bazothi lapha ya u-P out uye lo ngenayo bese kuba ubani u-P in here, which means for i-power here bazothi P in is equals to uV multiplied by u-IL. So in this part ke the power uzoba ubani u-power out is equals to uV multiplied by u-IA. If the power out or the power in, the power out is equals to bani uV multiplied by u-IA because ilona inguphi ilaphaya ikuleya part leya. I hope siyakhuluma. Remember ukuthi sino process 1 and process 2. They can ask ukuthi calculate the power in process 1 or in the first makwenza ukuqala, or bathi calculate the power masiseyiphela or masiseyenza ekugcineni. I hope sazwana nalapho. So ilona I think i-speed control siphelela la ngizoyenza after this video. Remember ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe lapho so that I can do in ama-videos or ama-examples for i-speed control so that sizokhona ukuyenza practically, siyenze ngobunono, sikutshengisa ama-tricks and ilona. Remember ngimthembisa ukuthi ngizonibhalela ama-formula ukuthi most of the time ahamba kanjani. So in this part the skill here sithi laphaya i-formula yokuqala ozobe uyisebenzisa kuzoba ubani u-E, it is equals to, which means uzoba no-E1 which is equals to uV minus mangabe sikhuluma ngani ngemoto, mangabe sifocus kuphi kumoto. Remember ukuthi u-minus which means ulona, that's why ngithi minus because most of the time usebenza ngemoto laphaya. So mangabe uthi ne-generator uzofaka u-plus laphaya, so uzoba nobani no-RAC, which u-RAC wakho uzoba u-RAC is equals to u-RA plus u-R added or u-RF mangabe it's series or something like that, or mangabe nje mara kuleya part ye-current wa-edda wonke lama. So oyobusi 2 most of the time mangithi yabona le skill lesi chaza ukuthi most of the time the formulas wakho azolandana kanje bese ucalculate ini u-IF wakho uzoba ubani, uzoba u-RA uV all over lo. This part leya kuzoba yini yi-1 mark kokuqala, like so uyitholile obvious, uyitholile into ozoyicalculate kokuqala. Mawuqala nje uzocalculate yona, akwenzeki ukuthi ungaqali ngayo, akwenzeki. Bese ke kuza ini u3 kuza ini the formula of ini i-torque, which means uzoba u-T1 all over T2 it is equals to u-IA1 all over not all over multiplied by IA2 IF2 into ena kanje. Bese kuza ubani u-number 4. U-number 4 ke kuyadependa ne. Ku-number 4 it's either you can start ngobani ngo-E2 it is equals to uV minus u-IA1 RAC. uzoyistarta ngayo mangabe ufuna ini, mangabe ufuna ispeed, mangabe ilona ithi ufuna ispeed uzoqala ngayo, mangabe ithini ufuna ispeed. Mangabe ufuna i-resistance uzoqala ngobani, ngo-E1 all over u-E2, it is equals to u-V, no, not u-V, u-N1 multiply by u-IF1 all over u-N2 multiply by u-IF2. Mangabe ufuna ini, the resistance, resistance added, yeah, added. I hope siyazwana masisenje. Mangabe in this part le, mangabe ufuna bani, ufuna u-E2 oqala, which means ubufuna ini, ispeed. Mangabe ufuna i-E2 using le formula le, which means ubufuna ini, ilona ispeed sakhona, which means you start by ilona uzobufuna i-resistance. Mangabe uqale wafuna ngalokhu i-2 umthole ngalento le, uzobufuna ini, i-resistance. I hope siyazwana. Mangabe uyithandile into oyibonile la or ozwile, ngicela u-like, usubscribe, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe lapho, ushare nabangani bakho abathanda ukufunda njengawe. Asibonge.